We have here the Nokia X30 5G, a smartphone that is built with recycled plastic and aluminum, which was launched in late 2022. Let's find out and check if it will be held up in the competition. Inspired by having an eco-friendly mindset, the box that we got for Nokia X30 5G is made of recyclable cardboard. In front of the box, we can see how they gave emphasis that they built it to last and how it was crafted. Upon opening the box, it comes with a Nokia X30 5G, the information about the product written on a cardboard, a Type-C to Type-C USB cable, a SIM ejector pin, more additional papers about the product and safety info, and a starter guide. At first glance, the looks of this smartphone gave us a business-type appeal. The backplate has a minimalist design with only its Nokia logo. It is made of 65% recycled plastic with a smooth finish and is not a fingerprint magnet. Additionally, it feels premium in actual touch as they do not cheap out the feel of the plastic they use. The frame that holds the phone is made of 100% recycled aluminum and it makes the phone have a sense of strong build when held in the hand. It has an IP rating and is rated IP67 dust and water resistant. The rear camera area is protruding from the back plate and houses two cameras and a flash LED. The cameras are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass with DX+, which means it is scratch resistant and it also has an anti-reflective optics for better photos or videos. What you will find on the right side of the smartphone are the power button and volume rocker. At the bottom are the SIM tray area where you can insert your 2 nano SIM cards, the microphone hole, USB Type-C port, and the speaker grills. The Nokia X30 5G has a 6.43-inch display that is 90Hz AMOLED display and has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Its typical brightness is rated at 450 nits and can peak at 700 nits, and it's protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The viewing experience is great from any angle, with accurate color reproduction, deep blacks, and sharp images. It's also easy to see what is on the screen even in bright sunlight. Sadly, it uses a down-firing speaker, which is a letdown for its price point. Many smartphones in this price range are already using stereo speakers. But even if that is the case, the quality is loud and clear. Under the hood of the Nokia X30 5G is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, which is a compromise that Nokia took, but regardless of it, this is still a good chipset for most people. It is paired with an 8GB of RAM and a 256GB of internal storage, which is a UFS 2.2. Out of the box, it is running an Android 12 and is quite a stock Android experience of what we got served. Nokia is guaranteeing us that it will have up to 3 OS upgrades and 3 years of monthly security updates, which is good to know, also being under the Android One program. So, with this, we can expect that we will receive the latest Android 13 anytime soon. Using the smartphone is quick and snappy. We didn't encounter any issues while using it for standard stuffs like using social media, chatting, and watching online contents. However, if you are searching to play highly demanding graphic games like Genshin Impact or similar to its quality, it can run at a decent frame rate, but expect that you will run at low graphic settings. The security features that the Nokia X30 5G has are fingerprint and face unlock. The fingerprint reader is under the display, which is common to see at its price point. It is slow, but it does the job. If you want a faster one, you can use the face unlock, which performs fast and snappy. The Nokia X30 5G has only 2 cameras on its rear. The main camera is 50 megapixels f1.9 with optical image stabilization, and the ultra-wide camera is 13 megapixel f2.4. For the front camera, it is 16 megapixels f2.4. We got, overall, good photos from the rear camera of the Nokia X35G. In a well-lit environment, we are able to have great images that are vibrant in colors, sharp in details, and has a decent dynamic range. In low light, it is better to use the night mode of the camera app as it improves contrast, sharpness, and saturation. The results that we got with night mode in a low-light environment are pretty impressive as it produces vivid colors, sharp details, and the image is not blown out when there are bright light. As we expected, the ultra-wide camera is not the same level as the main camera. It is alright that it is able to capture pictures that are well-detailed and have a decent color reproduction in a well-lit area. But when taken in a low-light area, it performs badly, as expected. The selfies we have taken from the front camera are also good as it produced natural-looking colors and sharp details. It also has a filter feature that produces alright quality images. Unfortunately, the video quality that we can capture and record from the Nokia X35G is only up to 1080p at 60 FPS. It is the limitation that the Snapdragon 695 5G has of not being able to support 4K videos. But either ways, the quality of our videos are good and have software image stabilization that enables our video footage not to be shaky. The Nokia X35G is equipped with a 4200 mAh battery that is able to last a full day of general use. During our PC Marks battery test, we got a result of 12 hours and 15 minutes at 50% brightness, which is a decent result. The phone supports 33 watts fast charging, but we were not able to test its maximum charging speed as it was not provided in the box. However, we have other smartphones that support 33 watts charging, and they were able to charge from 5% to 100% in just over an hour. The Nokia X35G may not have the specs that immediately catches the eye, but this phone should not be overlooked. It boasts a great design, robust build quality, impressive cameras, and decent long OS support. Additionally, it is crafted with eco-friendly inspiration, which may be very appealing to certain consumers. Overall, the Nokia X35G is a solid choice for many users. However, if you're looking for a smartphone that is specifically designed for gaming or high-performance needs, then this may not be the best fit for you. The Nokia X35G is priced at 27,990 pesos, and it is available at Lazada and Shopee. And that's it! We hope that with this video review, we were able to help you decide if this one is the right fit for your personal preference in buying a smartphone. Don't forget to hit the like button for this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on our latest videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video.